Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change a engine air filter on a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. And you should be changing this filter about every 10,000 miles. The part number on this is PA10127. Alright, so do this filter every like 10,000 miles. This will save you some gas and also give good circulation and to the engine. Alright, so simply you just pull this right here, and then once you're inside, you're gonna see two tabs, one over here, one over there, right? You're gonna push this down, and you're gonna push that down. And after that, you can just grab the filter, and it come out just like that, alright? So these are the two tabs on this filter. Alright, so all you're doing is you're twisting this and this. Alright, it tells you there unlock, lock, unlock, lock, alright? So the new filter comes with these little tabs. Alright, very simple. Same type of filter. So all you do is you take the filter and you slide it inside just like that. Let me fix up the seal. There you go. And then you're going to push the tab up and the tab up, and it's going to lock itself, and you're done. That's it, guys. It takes you only 5 minutes or less, alright? And you could probably save almost a gallon of gas on every fill up, alright? So that's going to add up throughout the 3-6 months that you're going to use this air filter on this car, right? So anyways, guys, here's the filter. You have two tabs on it. All you do is it's usually going to be here, lock position. You twist it down, and you grab the filter from here and you pull it out. And the part number on is right there, PA10127. Alright guys, thank you, subscribe, and bye bye.